sorting machine expert is positioned as a device for fast and high-precision analysis of processes occurring in the oil and fat and grain processing industries. It can also be used to configure and adjust the operation of equipment, namely, obtaining the percentage of removal of oiled impurity from the husk, adjustment of the beta separators for the percentage of the oil and dust content in the husk, determination of the percentage of grain and oil impurities in the leader, obtaining the percentage of leader content in oilseeds and cereals, setting up grain combines harvesters to minimize losses in the field. An example of corn impurities sorting. Incoming corn impurities. We receive a test report. Sorting result. Rapeseed sorting example. Incoming rapeseeds impurities. We receive a test report. Sorting result. An example of sorting wheat impurities. Incoming wheat impurities. We receive a test report. Sorting result. An example of sunflower sorting. Incoming sunflower impurities. We receive a test report. Sorting result.